In Python, you can use a while loop to validate user input. Let's say we're wanting a number between 1 and 5 from the user. Num equals 0. While true, because we want to continue to prompt the user until the input is correct. Num equals int of input of string. Please enter a number between 1 to 5. If num less than 1, print value must be greater than or equal to 1. Elif num greater than 5, print value must be less than or equal to 5. Finally, else, meaning we got a valid number, exit the loop by breaking. Outside the loop, print num. If we run this code and enter 0 and enter 6, you'll see both of those will prompt us that we are wrong. Then if we enter 2, you'll see it just nicely prints out. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.